everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's tutorial is on how to do side profile makeup. A lot of people think it's hard to do side profile makeup because it's mainly 3D features, but I've discovered some contouring tricks you can use to enhance your side profile. If you want to see that, just keep watching. First, I'm doing my brows. The most important part of this step is to elongate the brows and pull them upwards. This will give you a facelift effect and make your face look smaller or less wide since it's filling in a space that was empty before. You can do your eye makeup however you like. For the base, just go ahead and do it as usual. For side profile makeup, it's important to have full control over whatever 3D elements you want to add. We want the nose to look super smooth from the side so we can contour it however we like. I'm setting the base before moving on to contour. First, I'm going in with the KVD Beauty Contour Palette in Taupe. We're going to be using two contour shades today. This is the darker one. I'm using that to create a more angular, defined jawline. I'm connecting that line to my forehead to make my face slimmer. This will also make the shadow look more realistic since it's blended across the entire face rather than just in one area. Moving on to the nose, I'm first focusing the powder on the brow bone for a more defined nose bridge. Then I'm going to contour the sides and the tip of the nose. Concentrate on the tip of the nose if you want your nose to look more upturned. To make your nose look even more upturned, draw a dot a little bit above the tip of your nose using a concealer pencil, and then set it with a powder highlighter. For a cute button nose effect, contour underneath and above the tip of your nose. I'm next applying a peachy blush to my cheekbones and nose, which will help blend the contour more seamlessly into the base later. We're next using the second contour shade. This is a lighter, more warm-toned shade, which will help blend everything together. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to finish doing my eye lift makeup routine. I'll fast forward through it here, but I have a full tutorial you can watch linked above. It basically just makes your eyes look more upturned. Moving on to lashes, you can just use mascara if you want, but I'd recommend applying falsies since I think they make your side profile pop more. I'm using my favorite brown lashes. I love how these just blend in with my brown eyeliner. For lips, I'm first overlining them with the pencil close to my natural lip color. Next, I'm blotting my lips with a pinky nude shade. To make my lips pop from the side, I'm applying a gloss. And then this last step makes a huge difference. Using a darker lip liner than earlier, I'm turning the corners of my lips upwards slightly. Combined with overlining, this makes your lips appear plumper from the side. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.